Model: 2016 Citroën Relay DUCATO Boxer 35L3 Diesel 2.2 HDi H3 Van 130 PS Enterprise Spares OR Repairs. Body: grey, panel van. Mileage: 175,000. MOT: the 24th of May 2024. Engine: 2198 cc 4 HDi. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing, gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after. Pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, electric windows, air con, 2 keys, parking sensors. EU status: Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.